Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to ventilate and different nothings to ventilate. If this is what you are interested in, then stay tuned and keep watching. Now the first thing is to put your ventilating needle in a single hole of the net. Pick 2 strands of hair and pull it out and tight. I'll repeat the process again for you to see. Put the ventilating needle in a single hole. Pick 2 strands of hair, pull out from the net and tight. This is a normal ventilation, this is a single knotting, and this is the normal and random one that we do. This is how it looks like. It's very easy to do and it's also faster when ventilating. I'm also going to be doing the double knotting. Put the ventilating needle in a single hole, pick 2 strands of hair, pull out one and pull out again, then tight. This is a double knotting. Once you pull it out, just tight it and it's okay. I'm going to repeat it again and do different knotting in this video for you to see, so stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, these are different knotting, different types of knotting, single and double knotting. Whichever one you choose is okay. Depends on one you are comfortable with, then you can do it. I'm also going to repeat different method of double knotting, so keep watching. This is one of the difficult knotting that we have and it's really used. Once you put your ventilating needle in the hole, first pick out the hair, the first hair, and you pick out the second one and tight. Single knotting is used randomly and double knotting is used when you don't want to use the single knotting method and you want your work to be tighter. So one thing with that one is that it might slow your hands down, but both of them are okay. So I'm going to be doing my normal ventilation, and in my next video I'm going to be doing double ventilating and single line ventilating. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be part of this amazing family. And for more videos and content, leave a comment on what you think about this knotting, the one you normally do when you're ventilating, and why. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for staying to this moment. I love you and I appreciate you. See you in my next video. Bye.